Today, from Mount Shasta, the Earth's root chakra, let's ground ourselves with this meditation practice that I use that helps me to feel deeply rooted and supported. First, take a deep breath and gently close your eyes. Allow your body to soften, letting go of any tension you might be holding. Begin to arrive in this moment, connecting with your body. Feel your body. We will move through a gentle breathing rhythm. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6, and pause for 2. Now, bring your awareness to the base of your spine, your root chakra. Visualize a deep red light here, steady, grounding, connected to the earth. Now, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Count softly. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you inhale, visualize red light rising from the earth, entering and filling your root chakra. Hold your breath gently. Count to 4. And bring your awareness to your lower abdomen, your sacral chakra. See the color shift into a warm orange, fluid and creative. Now, slowly exhale through your mouth and count to 6. Bring your awareness to your upper abdomen, your solar plexus, and allow the light to become a soft yellow, warm, steady, empowering. And continue guiding it into your heart center and visualize a golden light expanding here, warm, open, and radiant. Pause in stillness. Count to 2. And feel this golden light gently flowing downward, returning through your solar plexus, your sacral, and back to your root, grounding you deeply. And again, gently repeat this rhythm at your own pace. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 6, and pause 2. Moving awareness through each center. Red, orange, yellow, gold. With each cycle, you will feel